gentlemen, last night on the debate, our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami had said there is more to the Sonia Trust scam that meets the eye. In fact, he said it could be the biggest scam in recent time. There are more startling details and documents that are now emerging. From funds from foreign companies, from funds from foreign governments to pro-PLA lobbies. Also from other sources, such as from the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, and now from, shockingly, fugitive Mehul Choksi. All this money goes into Sonia-headed Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Now 10 questions today asked by BJP Chief JP Nadda. We take a look at that and then we debate.
It started with the emergency of this picture, a secret deal signed with Communist Party of China in 2008 in Beijing. Then emerged the truth behind the Chinese government funds for Sonia Gandhi-run Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. And the skeleton stumbled out of the closet, the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. A trust run by the Gandhi Vadra family seems to have become a national symbol of alleged Congress corruption. On Friday, Republic showed you the proof of how funds from Prime Minister Relief Fund were siphoned off to the Gandhi Family Trust. Now there's more proof of dubious dealings. Documents from the website of Rajiv Gandhi Foundation showed that the subsidiary of the Congress accepts donations from Navraj Estates Private Limited between 2013 and 2015. And the director of the company is Mehul Choksi. A fugitive dementier who is currently hiding in Antigua, his lawyer had admitted the Congress alliance in the past.
He did have some loose alliance with what is now the opposition party in India, the Congress Party, which is the party that is different from the party of the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi, I believe is his name. So there is that difference.
It's all falling into place now.
You have the Chinese embassy, then you have these other separate Chinese entities funding into this trust, into this foundation. And then you see that even the Prime Minister's Relief Fund money has been siphoned off. Can this be ever imagined? That the money which you, me, every common Indian gives into the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, that money is for relief. And what relief was that fund used for? For Sonia and Rahul Gandhi's personal relief.
And as more and more details emerge, BJP has hurled an arsenal of questions which the Congress is yet to answer.
प्रधानमंत्री नेशनल रिलीफ फंड जो लोगों की सेवा करने के लिए है, जो लोगों के हार्ड अर्न मनी है, जो लोगों की राहत पहुंचाने के लिए है, जो प्रधानमंत्री के माध्यम से जनता जनार्दन की सेवा के लिए है, उसमें से 2005 से लेकर 2008 तक राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन को पैसा क्यों गया? फाउंडेशन ने कैसे डोनेट किया राजीव गांधी चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट को, जो कंट्रोल्ड होती है बाय फैमिली, परिवार के द्वारा चलती है, ऑन बाय क्रिश्चियन मिशनरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नोन एज वर्ल्ड विजन. अब आप देखिए, पब्लिक मनी को ट्रस्ट में लाओ, ट्रस्ट से प्राइवेट ट्रस्ट में ट्रांसफर. नीड टू बी इन हरी टू कम टू एंगेज इन RCEP, number 1. Number 2, the question is that parallelly, how the India's trade deficit gained, and from $1.1 billion, it reached to $36.2 billion US dollars. This is what we have to understand. क्या ये क्विड प्रो को तो नहीं था कि मोहिल चौकसी से आपने राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन में पैसा क्यों लिया, और आपने मोहिल चौकसी को लोन क्यों दिया, और ये सब करने के बाद बदनाम करने के लिए हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री पर आरोप लगा.
From Chinese funding to links with Chinese lobbying group, alleged siphoning of funds, the Congress is on the back foot on what could be another big scam in the UPA regime. By making an offer to return the alleged scam amount, the Congress has not only displayed its arrogance but also mocked the people of India who were openly and brazenly cheated. And it's time the Gandhi Vadra family break its silence on the revelations as hard evidence stares them back. Bureau Report, Republic TV.